Boss Organizer Denise. The holidays are coming up, and some of us are going to be having parties in our homes, so we're getting ready, right? And nothing's more inviting than having a nice couch full of comfortable pillows to sit down on. The problem with that is there's no room for your guests to sit. So as cute as your pillows are, ditch them. And make room for your friends to have a nice, comfortable place to sit. Now, there's a big holiday party full of fun, dancing, and more organizing tips just for you. Join us on December 4th.